Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to line up text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Lining up text in Canva is a straightforward process that helps create a clean and organized layout, enhancing the overall visual appeal of your design. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the design or project that you're working with. If you haven't already, just click on the templates. You can choose from business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. Or click the create a design to start from scratch. Now, lining up text in Canva is a combination of multiple techniques. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the text here and add a text box. Now, in this case, I'm going to randomly put in series of text here. Okay, so for example, that I'm going to copy this, maybe copy this, and put another information. Now, for you to be able to line up the text, all I'm gonna do is obviously move your cursor to wherever you want it so they align, right? Another option is click this section that says alignment. You see, if you hover that, you would be able to maximize all these without any problem. You see that? Of course, doing that will overlap with the text. So if you wanted, you might wanna move the cursor or the mouse to position the text effectively. Now, a well-aligned text reduces the visual stress for viewers, allowing them to absorb information more comfortably and efficiently. Of course, you can strategically align text so you can direct the viewer's attention to key messages or important information, enhancing the communication of your design. When designing multiple page documents, maintaining consistent text alignment helps unify the design and reinforces the overall message. One of the good things about aligning text is that it makes it easier to group related information together, helping viewers understand the relationships between different elements. I'm going to add another background here, maybe this or something like that. Once you're happy with it, all I gotta do now is click the share button. You can download as PNG, PDF, or even MP4. If you want to share this with your client, with your boss, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, just click the copy link. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.